Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to call someone on Instagram. Let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. Let's open it. And this is the home page of your Instagram. Now you should have to tap on your message icon, which is available on the bottom side of your lower screen. Tap on it. Now tap on someone profile whom you want to call, like this. Then you can see the option of audio call and video call on the top right corner of your screen, so you can choose any of them. So I'm tapping on audio call here. Then from here you can even mute, and you can put your contact or it on speaker like this. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.